The User Toolbar feature of Eris has been completely overhauled for Eris 9.5 and incorporates a large number of enhancements. In this video, we will cover how to create a new user toolbar. In separate videos, we give an overview and show how to specify and edit the user-defined functions for each toolbar box. To create a new user toolbar, open the User Toolbar Manager by selecting the Preferences icon on the desktop menu and then the User Toolbar button on the Customization pull-down menu. This opens the User Toolbar Manager to the Toolbar Files and Menus page. The functions for creating a new user toolbar are found in the New User Toolbar section on the left side of the Toolbar Manager menu. The first step is to give a name for the new user toolbar. Select the New User Toolbar name box and type the desired name at the keyboard. The second step is to select where the new user toolbar is to be saved. This is shown in the Save Toolbar In box. This may be set to either User, which stores the toolbar in the User Home directory, or Standard, which stores the user toolbar in the Standards directory. Since most user toolbars are custom to the individual user, the User directory is the more likely choice. There are certain conditions, however, such as an Office Standard toolbar, where saving in the Standards directory would be better. The third step is to select a menu to be used for your new toolbar. This is done on the right side of the User Toolbar Manager by selecting a menu from the User Toolbar Menus list. All User Toolbar menus available in Eris will be found on this list. Toolbar menu names begin with UTB and generally contain a number which indicates the number of selectable toolbar boxes in the menu. The selected menu will highlight, and a thumbnail will be shown in the box below the list. If a menu is not selected, the default menu used for your new toolbar will be UTB 23, which is the 23 square box menu similar to the toolbar used in versions of Eris before 9.5. There are 4 ways to actually create the new user toolbar. The first is by selecting the Create New Blank Toolbar button. This creates a new toolbar with the name given using the menu selected and places it in the User or Standards directory as set. The new toolbar will be added to the existing user toolbars list, and it will become the currently loaded toolbar. The current user toolbar portion of the User Toolbar Manager menu will update, and the toolbar will display in the Eris menus below. All of the boxes on the toolbar are blank and are ready to edit. That process will be shown in another video. The second way to create a new user toolbar is by saving a copy of an existing toolbar. Set the user toolbar name and directory where it's to be saved as before. For this method, you'll also need to select an existing toolbar on the existing user toolbars list. This is the toolbar to be copied. Select the Save Selected as New Toolbar button, and the new toolbar will be created with the name given and be placed in the User or Standards directory as set. The menu used and all of the toolbar box settings will be the same as the existing toolbar you selected. As before, the new user toolbar will be added to the existing user toolbars list, and it will become the current user toolbar. From here, the menu and boxes for the toolbar may be edited as desired. The third way to create a new user toolbar is by renaming an existing toolbar. Set the new user toolbar name as before. Next, in the existing user toolbars list, select the toolbar to be renamed. Select the Rename Selected Toolbar button on the menu. The existing toolbar will be renamed. All other parameters of the toolbar, including the menu used and all box settings, will remain the same. The existing user toolbars list will be updated. The final way to create a new user toolbar is by converting an existing pre-ARIS 9.5 user toolbar to the new user toolbar format. User toolbars from past versions of ARIS are obsolete and not usable in ARIS 9.5 since the new toolbars include more information, have more features, and are saved in a different format. Set the new user toolbar name and save in directory as before. For this method, you'll need to select the UTB-23 menu in the User Toolbar Menus list. Select the Convert Old Format toolbar box on the menu. ARIS will prompt for the old toolbar name to convert. Select the desired old toolbar name from the list. The new toolbar will be created and added to the existing user toolbars list. As before, it will become the current user toolbar and the menus will be updated. As you can see, user toolbars are very simple to create. Setting the functions behind the toolbar buttons and the appearance of the toolbar box is just as easy and is covered in another video. Some of the more subtle and advanced features of the User Toolbar Manager are also covered in another video. For more information on user toolbars, refer to the User Toolbar topic in the ARIS Encyclopedia.